Okay, so we've got our basic frame now. We're going to worry about now is creating a hole for the kind of hitter mechanism and then also creating the channel in this video. So the way we're going to do this, what you might want to do first of all is just right click on that plane and just click visibility off, just so it's not in the way. And we are going to create a new sketch just on this front bit here. Zoom in if you need to. And I want you to draw a circle, and it's going to be a 6.5 mil hole. So just left click once and then we can type in 6.5. And if you find the center of that circle, you can use the dimension tool to change where it is. So left click on that and left click on this line here. See, it's 48.909 from the edge here. We don't want it to be that distance, we want it to be 35. So I'm going to change that and the circle will move. Use the same tool again, the dimension tool, center to this bottom line here. It's pretty close, but we want it to be 20. And then what we're going to do is extrude that by 20 and cut it through that material. So we just zoom in, we can see what's going on here. At the moment that's creating new material, we actually want to press this one here and press cut. And that will cut through that pine wood. And there we go, there's the little hole there for where the hitter mechanism will go. On top of that, we're going to create our base and our channel. So we just flip it around here. And we're just going to zoom in and start a 2D sketch on this part here. And what we want to do is make sure that we get the corner of this so we can create our board. Going to go back to normal rectangle, the 2.1, the first option. We're going to make sure it's in that corner there. We want it to be 600 in length by 400 in width. And we are going to then extrude. Don't want it by 40, we want it by 6 mil. So that's the 6 mil plywood you're going to use. Again, make sure it's going the right direction, not cutting away. And we want it to be a new solid. Press OK. There is our base. I'm just going to flip it back round in the view. And the last thing we're going to do this video is create our channel. So if we left click on Start 2D Sketch and we click on the bottom of the board, might need to just flip it round. We are going to create a point which is along this line here. We want it to use the dimension tool, and we can left click on the point and left click on this line here. We want that distance to be 25. Then we know the edge of our channel is going to be 25 away from the right hand side of the board. We can left click on the rectangle tool again, find our point, scroll up, and we want it to be 400 in length and 20, so 20 thickness. So 400 tab 20, and we're going to extrude that by with a new solid. Make sure it's going the right way. We want that to be 37. That should take it flush to the edge right there. Make sure it's a new solid, press OK. There's our channel. We can just double check that fits nicely. Perfect.